right, good day everyone. How are you today? I hope you are keeping safe, washing your hands, and following all the necessary procedure. Okay, today we are looking at the screen recorder, and the app I'll be using today is called the app is called AZ Screen Recorder. Okay, just like I have on my screen here. Okay, it is called AZ Recorder. Look at it here. So look at it, AZ Screen Recorder. You can see it now. So what you need to do is to first of all go to your Play Store and then you install the AZ Screen Recorder. So assuming you don't have it already on your phone, you click on Play Store and then come to the search and then you type AZ Screen, okay, Screen Recorder. Okay, look at it here. So you have the first app there. Look at the logo here. This is the icon. You can see it. You can see it here. You have the icon here, and then what you need to do is you are going to have install here. Okay, so install it. Okay, not like mine, because I've installed, that's why I have open here. So what you need to do is to click on what you need to click on install. Okay, do you understand me? Okay, so after that, after your installation, then you have to click on open. Okay, launch your application, and then once you launch it, what do you have? You are going to have this. So the first thing is having a series of videos that you've created. Okay, these are part of the videos that I've done, okay, using the AZ Screen Recorder. It's so lovely, so sweet, and this AZ Screen Recorder has so many features that you can compress large file into a very small size, and wow, that is so interesting. And other things, you can also create your own name, as in have your logo, okay, being displayed on your video. How interesting is that? I'm going to explain that to you. So what you need to do is, so we need to come to, I'm going to use my highlighter here. Okay, let me use the color that is not so much, then use it. Okay, so you come here to where we have settings. So once you click on settings, the next thing you need to do is, so I'm going to close that. So you click on settings, and then you can then scroll up to see other items that are there, other features. You can see your video configuration. I will advise you leave your resolution, the frame, the bitrate, orientation. Instead you want to change it, orientation can just be auto, okay, or you can change it to whatsoever suits you. Allow your record audio to be on. It's very necessary. If it's not on, how are you going to hear what I'm saying? So leave it on. If you want your green screen, it's okay, apply that. Now your magic button is so nice that once you highlight, at the top of the screen you see a dotted line, marquee line, that can allow you to highlight and select. Okay, you can use your magic button. Okay, then we have pop-up window after a screenshot. It's okay, you can activate it. I don't want mine to be activated, so I left it that way. Now countdown, this is the number you see from 3, 2, 1. Okay, that means you should get ready to start talking, to start recording your lovely videos. Okay, and then you have countdown before start, whatsoever, anyhow you want it. Okay, that is that. Then here we have screenshot under this recording toolbox. Okay, I have some of the items here. So the screenshots here, it allows you to what, to snap even while you do your recording. Is that okay? You can just quickly do a quick screenshot. So what you need to do is to activate this one. Okay, you can also make your camera come on live and someone can see your face, your beautiful face, as you do your recording. So what you need to do is to activate this button. And also you can use your brush, just the way I'm doing this, by activating this. You can see that has been activated already, so you can do that. Now that is that about that. You can undo if you want, and you see, undo it. Maybe you've made a mistake in cycling or on the line, you undo, and once you are done, you click on the, okay, you can also select your colors. Let me also explain this color palette for the brush. Okay, you can choose you can select, change your colors. Okay, let me use a different color. Okay, yes, you can use a different color. Can you see? A light, do whatsoever you want with it. Is that okay? So once you are done, you close the color palette, and once you are done with this, by clicking on this X button, everything will go off. How lovely. So once you are done with that, there is another lovely feature here. You can choose to create your text and your logo. Okay, I love this so much. I can embed my logo and my emblem, my name on my video, so that it cannot be edited. So what I need to do is to say show text. Okay, I already type this, but initially what you will see here is going to be AZ Screen Recorder. Is that okay? But I've done it, I've changed it from AZ Screen Recorder to my own name, but you can also change that. Is that okay? So what you need to do is come up to where we have test, and then highlight, delete what you have there, and then you type what you want. So let me type something else. Mark Minch. Okay, I'll say okay. Can you see it? Can you see the effect of okay? You can also increase your size if you want it. That is your own choice. Figure you want. Okay, let me make it 30, and that will be so big. Okay, can you see it? Or we can reduce the size to make it small so that it doesn't destroy work. Okay, let's make it 15, and you see it's so small. Can you see it? Can you see? This is where I got the text size from. You can choose to change the color background if you want. This is the color background, and you can change the text color. Okay, let's quickly change the text color. So I'll close this. I'll change the text color from that red to something else. I love this purple. Okay, like that. So I'd like to increase the size. I don't want it too tiny, so I'm going to make it 24, and I will maintain. I'm going to change the name back to Bunmart Creations. Okay. Are you getting it? So this is so easy. Bunmart Creations. Can you see that? So that is that about applying your text. If you wanted to show, changing the colors and the background. If you want to change the background, it's okay. Okay, let's find a lovely background for it. But I don't know how you are going to use background when you have other videos to show. It might, I don't know, that might disturb your work. Okay. So what I always do is I just ignore it. I don't really need to show my background color, so that is okay. Now let's move on to logo. Can you see logo here? Logo, show logo. You can activate this. When you click on it, it's going to show you the AZ screen recorder. Okay, all right. But now I've changed my logo. You see that it's having a different file name here. So what I need to do is quickly come over to show logo, and then I'll click on it. Can you see this logo down here? Can you see it? That is my own logo. Let me change this font size color. So that is my logo. You see it showing here. So, but initially, if you didn't change it like I've done, okay, what you will see will be the AZ screen recorder. All right. So you can choose to change it to yours. How do you change it? Come to where we have image. Can you see it? Click on the image, and then you can choose select from any angle by clicking on this arrow here. Click on the arrow, and then you have a drop down icon. You can then choose from the menu. Okay, so you have, okay, if I choose this first one, stickers, I can decide to just change my logo to this. It's okay if it's okay by you. This is okay. All right, but since I have my own logo, so I'm going to change it to my logo. So all I need to do is to search for my folder where I have the logo. Okay, so I have one inside this Pixel Lab, and then I'm going to just click on this, and then can you see my logo here? That is good. So you can also choose to change the size of the logo by clicking on these. You can increase it. If you reduce it, it's okay. You reduce it, it's going to be so small. Okay, or you can choose to sorry, you click on it. Let's reduce the size. Okay, we have 11%. Can you see it? Can you just see that it's so small? Okay, so you can choose on size again, and then when you click on size again, I don't want mine to be too small, so I am going to increase it back to the last number, 25. That is okay. So you can play around with these, move it up, move it at the center, so anywhere you want it to be, it's okay. All right, I hope you understand this lesson. So I want to faint the color so that it doesn't look too, wow, this is okay. All right, I hope you understand this. So now, once you are done, you can just, get to see your video that has been created. Isn't this beautiful? So, all right, thank you. So back to AZ application. Now, I just want to apply a little background to my name, my crested name here. So what I need to do is go back to the settings, okay, like we did the other time from the AZ application. I'll come to this, and then to settings, and then click on text and logo, background colors, and then you move it, because you might really want to do that. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Can you see this here? So you need to move it till you get new color. Is that okay? This used to be old color. This is the old color. you can see this is the old color. You can see old color blank, that's transparent. So once you keep on moving to the brighter, to the deeper color, your new color changes. Okay, let's quickly practice that. Okay, are you ready? Now let's move on. So let me change. No, I can't use that. Okay, this is better. So I'll move, just move this button here, this little slide it. Okay, or you just tap, you slide or you just tap to wherever you want it. Can you see? So it's been able to move from the transparent old color to the new color where I have this. Can you see that? So once you are done, you click on OK and let's see the effect. Okay, beautiful. Can you see the effect on my logo right here? Can you see the effect? Isn't that beautiful? All right, thank you. So we move on to other activities. Like if you need to explain to somebody what you are doing, like now, assuming I just want to show someone my WhatsApp page, I have something to explain from my graphics page. What I need to do is, okay, or like showing this my keyboard, and I need to explain to you how it works. So what you need to do is, the essence of screen recording is that it will show everything that you have on your phone, the way you navigate from left to right, what you do with it. Okay, like if I need to explain, teach my Chinese skills now. Okay, look at it. So we have this. You see, so your student can also respond. Can you see? You can do everything with it. Okay, so that is that about screen recording. And once you are done, what you just need to do is to find where you have your recording tab. This can be moved. Okay, you can hang it anywhere, move to the left, right, up and down, anywhere of the screen you can have it there. So once you are done, you click on the stop button. But I'm not done. Once I click on the stop button, you then need to save it, and also you can compress it. Okay, so I'll click on stop. Can you see the stop button? Yeah, you should be able to see that. Okay, I wanted to show you. Okay, the stop button. Once you are done,